Creating an invoice in Zoho Books is simple and helps you manage payments effectively. Here's how to do it. Log into Zoho Books. Visit Zoho Books and log in with your credentials. Go to the Sales tab. After logging in, click on the Sales tab from the left sidebar. Click on Invoices. In the Sales section, click on Invoices to access the list of all your invoices. Click Plus New. To create a new invoice, click the Plus New button located at the top right of the screen. Fill in invoice details. Customer. Select the customer from your contact list or create a new contact by clicking Plus New Contact. Invoice date. Set the date of the invoice. Due date. Choose the payment due date. Items. Add products or services. You can enter item names, quantities and prices, or select items from your inventory. Taxes and discounts. Apply any applicable taxes or discounts. Review and save. After entering all the details, review the invoice for accuracy. Click Save or Save and Send to save the invoice and send it to your client.